I just love this time of year, don't you?
I do. Can you imagine if we were elves? With all of our IOD supplies, we would make the best gingerbread houses.
Oh, our gingerbread houses would rock.
Isn't this fun? Sister? Yeah? We have a plan. That plan is to scale. Does not allow me to have my elf expression. Elf expression? One does not simply randomly apply gumdrops. There's codes, there's scales, there's a plan. Speaking of which, where's the Red Hots? There's a Red Hot in your hair. Did you eat all the Red Hots? You ate all the Red Hots. That means we have to use gumdrops for the path. The pathway will not allow for gumdrop usage on the pathway because it does not meet code for pathways.
Maybe not. But you'll have better luck. So be sure to enter the IOD Gingerbread House contest
For your chance to win $500 in IOD loot.
and express your elf.